Every Adobe Illustrator, a brief introduction, Part 5.
The Rectangle tool. Shortcut is the letter M. Click and drag to create a rectangle. Holding Shift will create a perfect square. The Rounded Rectangle tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag to create a rounded rectangle. Holding Shift will create a perfect square. Use the up or down arrow keys to change the roundness. The Ellipse tool. Shortcut is the letter L. Click and drag to create an ellipse. Holding Shift will create a perfect circle. The Polygon tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag to create a polygon with all sides the same size. Use the up or down arrow keys to change the number of sides. The Star tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag to create a star. Use the up or down arrow keys to change the number of points. Hold Command or Control while dragging to change the size of the arms. The Flare tool. No default shortcut. Click and drag to create the light rays and the halo. Then click on the desired direction to add the light rings. The objects created already have blending modes selected, so you can just place the flare on top of an image or an illustration.